Minimalist and experimental ultralight aircraft represent one of the purest forms of personal aviation. These lightweight, usually single-seat powered aircraft are built primarily for recreational flying and emphasize simplicity, low cost, and direct pilot control. In the United States, ultralights are defined by strict limits. They must weigh less than 254 pounds, carry no more than 5 gallons of fuel, and maintain a top speed of 55 knots, or 63 miles per hour. Because of these constraints, they can be flown without a pilot's license or aircraft registration. The result is an accessible and highly maneuverable flying experience that brings pilots closer to the fundamentals of flight. So, with that in mind, here are 7 lesser-known minimalist and experimental ultralight aircraft worth discovering. Badland Part 103. The Badland Part 103 is a modern single-seat ultralight aircraft developed in the United States for pilots seeking rugged simplicity and backcountry capability. Designed specifically to comply with FAA Part 103 regulations, the aircraft emphasizes lightweight construction, slow-speed handling, and the ability to operate from short, unimproved strips. Its purposeful design targets recreational flyers who enjoy exploring remote areas without the complexity of larger aircraft. The Badland Part 103 features a high-wing configuration supported by struts, combined with a conventional tailwheel landing gear. This layout improves ground clearance and stability on rough terrain, while also providing excellent downward visibility. The fuselage typically uses aluminum tubing with fabric covering, keeping weight low while maintaining durability. Oversized Tundra-style tires are often fitted, reinforcing its off-airport personality and allowing takeoffs from grass, gravel, or dirt surfaces. Power usually comes from lightweight engines in the 28 to 40 horsepower range, delivering a cruise speed around 55 miles per hour and very low stall speed for controlled slow flight. Short takeoff distances and responsive controls make it suitable for small clearings and compact airstrips. With its rugged stance, simple construction, and relaxed performance, the Badland Part 103 offers a straightforward path into adventurous ultralight flying. Affordaplane. The Affordaplane is a minimalist single-seat ultralight aircraft designed in the United States by Dave Edwards during the 1990s. Created with affordability as the primary goal, the Affordaplane was developed so that nearly anyone with basic tools and determination could build and fly their own aircraft. Its simple construction, low material cost, and lightweight structure made it one of the most accessible entry points into home-built ultralight aviation. The aircraft features a high wing configuration with an open cockpit built primarily from aluminum tubing, gussets, and fabric covering. The Affordaplane avoids complex fabrication and expensive components. The design focuses on ease of assembly, with many builders able to complete the aircraft using common workshop tools and readily available materials. This straightforward approach keeps both weight and cost extremely low. Typically powered by small two-stroke engines ranging from 25 to 40 horsepower, the Affordaplane cruises at around 50 to 60 miles per hour with a low stall speed that promotes gentle handling. Its lightweight allows for short takeoff distances and efficient performance even with modest power. With its bare-bones design, low operating costs, and simple flying characteristics, the Affordaplane delivers a pure and accessible introduction to personal flight. Wood Sky Pup. The Wood Sky Pup is a lightweight, single-seat ultralight aircraft designed in the United States by Stephen K. Wood in the early 1980s. First flown in 1980 and introduced in 1982, the aircraft was created with one simple goal: making personal flight affordable, simple, and accessible to everyday aviation enthusiasts. Designed to comply with FAA Part 103 ultralight regulations, the Sky Pup features an extremely light empty weight of around 195 pounds, allowing it to be flown in many regions without a traditional pilot's license. The aircraft features a high-wing cantilever design with a conventional tailwheel landing gear, giving it a classic vintage appearance reminiscent of early 1930s light aircraft. Built primarily from Douglas fir wood, foam ribs, and fabric covering, the Sky Pup emphasizes simplicity and low construction cost, with many early builders completing one for around $1,000 to $2,000 using locally available materials. Powered by small engines ranging from 18 to 28 horsepower, such as the Rotax 277 or Zenoa G25, the Sky Pup cruises comfortably at about 55 miles per hour and reaches a maximum speed of roughly 69 miles per hour. Despite its modest power, the aircraft offers gentle handling, a low stall speed near 26 miles per hour, and short takeoff distances of about 200 feet, making it well suited for grass strips and small airfields. With its minimalist design, low cost, and relaxed flying characteristics, the Wood Sky Pup captures the pure joy of slow, open sky flying, offering pilots a simple and rewarding introduction to personal aviation. Kolb Ultrastar. The Kolb Ultrastar is a lightweight single-seat ultralight aircraft designed in the United States by Homer Kolb and introduced in 1982. Developed as an improved successor to the earlier Kolb Flyer, the Ultrastar helped define early ultralight aviation with its simple construction, excellent visibility, and responsive 3-axis control system. It was produced in kit form by Kolb Aircraft, allowing builders to assemble the aircraft at home with basic tools and modest cost. The aircraft features a high-wing, open cockpit layout with a pusher engine mounted behind the pilot. This design provides unobstructed forward visibility and a strong sense of freedom in flight, making it popular among pilots seeking a pure, uncomplicated flying experience. The Ultrastar uses a welded 4130 steel tube forward fuselage combined with an aluminum tail boom and fabric-covered flying surfaces, keeping weight extremely low while maintaining structural strength. Powered typically by a 35-horsepower Cuyuna 430 engine, the Ultrastar delivers gentle performance suited for relaxed recreational flying. The aircraft also introduced folding wings and tail surfaces, allowing it to be stored in small spaces such as garages or transported on trailers, a feature that later became a hallmark of Kolb aircraft designs. With its minimalist design, lightweight structure, and responsive handling, the Kolb Ultrastar captures the early spirit of ultralight aviation, offering pilots a simple and enjoyable path into personal flight. Ragwing RW1 Ultra Piet. The Ragwing RW1 Ultra Piet is a classic single-seat ultralight aircraft designed in the United States by Roger Mann and produced by Ragwing Aircraft Designs. Created as a lightweight, affordable tribute to early aviation, the RW1 is a 3/4 scale version of the famous 1920s Piet and Pol air camper, giving it a vintage parasol wing layout and timeless open cockpit charm. The aircraft was designed specifically to meet FAA Part 103 ultralight requirements, with an empty weight around 254 pounds, allowing many pilots to fly it without a traditional pilot license. Constructed primarily from wood and covered in fabric, the Ultra Piet reflects simple home-built philosophy. Detachable wings, conventional tailwheel landing gear, and straightforward construction methods allow builders to complete the aircraft in roughly 300 to 500 hours using basic workshop tools. Engines typically range from 24 to 48 horsepower, including Kawasaki, half VW, and small two-stroke engines. Despite its modest power, the RW1 offers relaxed and enjoyable performance, with a cruise speed around 55 miles per hour, stall speed near 24 miles per hour, and a climb rate of about 650 feet per minute. Short takeoff distances and gentle handling make it ideal for grass strips and small airfields. With its vintage styling, lightweight construction, and slow-paced flying characteristics, the Ragwing RW1 Ultra Piet delivers a nostalgic flying experience that reconnects pilots with the earliest days of personal aviation. Fisher FP202 Koala. The Fisher FP202 Koala is a lightweight single-seat ultralight aircraft designed in the United States by Fisher Flying Products. Introduced as an affordable and easy-to-build aircraft, the Koala was created for pilots seeking a simple, dependable, and enjoyable entry into personal aviation. Its compact size and light structure were developed with ultralight regulations in mind, while still offering the look and feel of a traditional light aircraft. It features a high wing configuration with strut bracing and conventional tailwheel landing gear, giving it a classic bush plane appearance. Built primarily from wood with fabric covering, the aircraft emphasizes straightforward construction methods that make it suitable for home builders. The cockpit is open or lightly enclosed depending on builder preference, providing excellent visibility and a strong connection to the surrounding environment during flight. Typically powered by small engines ranging from 28 to 40 horsepower, such as Rotax or similar lightweight power plants, the Koala cruises comfortably at around 55 miles per hour with a low stall speed that enhances safety and slow-speed handling. Its short takeoff and landing capability allows operation from grass strips and small airfields. With its simple construction, gentle performance, and classic design, the Fisher FP202 Koala offers a relaxed and rewarding ultralight flying experience. Minimax 103. The Minimax 103 is a compact single-seat ultralight designed in the United States by Team Minimax during the early 1990s. Developed specifically to meet FAA Part 103 regulations, the Minimax 103 was created to provide pilots with a traditional airplane feel in a lightweight and affordable package. Its small size, classic lines, and simple construction quickly made it popular among home builders looking for an approachable entry into aviation. The aircraft features a conventional tailwheel landing gear, giving it a classic vintage appearance reminiscent of early light aircraft. Built primarily from wood with fabric covering, the Minimax 103 emphasizes straightforward construction and lightweight performance. Despite its compact dimensions, the cockpit is designed to provide good visibility and comfortable handling during relaxed recreational flights. Typically powered by lightweight engines such as the 28-horsepower Rotax 277 or similar two-stroke power plants, the Minimax 103 cruises at around 55 miles per hour, with a low stall speed near 24 miles per hour. Its light structure allows short takeoff distances and efficient climb performance even with modest horsepower. With its classic styling, gentle flight characteristics, and simple home-built philosophy, the Minimax 103 offers a rewarding and approachable path into ultralight flying.